English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 17.
I always go to the gym after work. I am usually happy to stay at home in the evening. My company frequently organises sponsored walks. I often play computer games at home.
My team goes out for a meal sometimes. My wife and I occasionally go cycling together. I rarely work weekends if I have a choice. I have never played golf with my boss. I'm terrible at it.
In my free time, I like to get out of the house and do things outside, in the fresh air. I guess I'm quite fit because I have a pet dog, and I have to take him for a walk. I also go running frequently, about 3 times a week, usually in the park near my house. It's a big park, and I run about 5 kilometres each time. I like to spend time with friends. We sometimes go to the movies, about once or twice a month. We love movies. And occasionally, about twice a year, we go camping together. It usually rains, but we don't care because it's so much fun. On Saturday nights, we always go out. We never stay at home. It's too boring.
I occasionally go running after work. I often do yoga in the evening. We occasionally go to see a play. She often listens to music at work. I always take photos when I go on vacation.
Friday nights are always the loudest. This is the most interesting gallery in town.
Large. Largest. Easy. Easiest. Hot. Hottest.
That's the longest run I've ever done.
I go to the newest gym in town.
The earliest train is at 4 a.m.
This is the biggest launch to date.
That's the most expensive item.
It's the least exciting party ever.
Bad. Worst. Good. Best. Little. Least. Much. Most. Far. Farthest.
Furthest.
This is the best restaurant in town. This is the best book I've ever read. The piano is the easiest instrument to play. Yannick listens to the loudest music. Shopping is the most expensive hobby I do. That was the worst play I have ever seen. Exercising is the most relaxing thing I do. Let's eat at the closest restaurant.
The earliest yoga class is at 8 a.m. The most interesting gallery I've been to is in Paris. I've just finished the worst book I've ever read. The longest hike I've ever done is 15 kilometers. The farthest I've ever gone cycling is 50 miles. I think that hiking is the most exciting hobby.
End of Lesson 17.